Microsoft's acquisition of Gorilla is a significant step toward the development of artificial general intelligence.
In the realm of artificial intelligence, large language models, or LMs, have made significant strides, but their potential to effectively use tools via API calls remains unfulfilled. This is a challenging task, even for today's state-of-the-art LMs, largely due to their inability to generate accurate input arguments and their tendency to hallucinate the wrong usage of an API call. Gorilla, a fine-tuned llama-based model that surpasses the performance of GPT-4 on writing API calls. Gorilla uses a methodology that involves fine-tuning a Llama 7B-based model with document retrieval using a dataset. The dataset is constructed from TorchHub, TensorHub, and Hugging Face API model cards. When combined with a document retriever, Gorilla demonstrates a strong capability to adapt to test-time document changes, enabling flexible user updates or version changes. Gorilla is designed to understand and reason about the constraints that come with API calls. It can comprehend the functionality of the API call and categorize the calls according to different constraint parameters. Gorilla's performance surpasses prompting the state-of-the-art LLM GPT-4 in 3 massive datasets collected for the study. It significantly outperforms state-of-the-art language models in terms of API functionality accuracy and reducing hallucination errors. Gorilla, a new frontier in the world of large language models, enhancing their ability to interact with tools in the wider world. APIs are the universal language, enabling diverse systems to communicate effectively. Their correct usage can boost the ability of LMs to interact with tools in the wider world. Gorilla was evaluated in a zero-shot setting, and when prompted with different retrievers, the evaluation focused on its accuracy and its ability to avoid hallucination errors. Gorilla, a game-changer in the world of large language models, enhancing their ability to interact with APIs and opening up new possibilities for the future of AI. The applications of Gorilla are vast and wide-ranging. It can accurately identify the appropriate API for a specific task, which is a significant aspect in the advancement of large language models. From healthcare to finance, from logistics to entertainment, Gorilla can boost the ability of LLMs to interact with tools in the wider world. Even in the face of complex APIs and constraints, Gorilla stands tall. It can handle APIs that require specific conditions to be met, significantly expanding the capabilities of LLMs. In comparison with other state-of-the-art language models, Gorilla shines. It significantly outperforms models like GPT-4, GPT-3.5, and Claude in terms of accuracy and avoiding hallucination errors. Gorilla, a beacon of progress in the world of large language models, enhancing their ability to interact with APIs and paving the way for a future where AI and humans coexist and collaborate seamlessly. The future with Gorilla is promising. Its ability to understand and generate API calls can revolutionize how we interact with technology. Imagine a world where Gorilla is integrated into various systems, simplifying the task of controlling and monitoring a diverse range of technologies, from autonomous vehicles to smart home devices. Gorilla's ability to reason about constraints and generate accurate input arguments can significantly reduce the risk of errors due to incorrect API usage, making our technologies safer and more reliable. In a world where AI is becoming increasingly important, Gorilla stands out as a model that can bridge the gap between humans and machines, making AI more accessible and useful. Gorilla, a breakthrough in the world of large language models, enhancing their ability to interact with APIs, and shaping a future where AI is an integral part of our lives. Fast forward to the year 2050, the world is expected to undergo a transformation unlike any other. Autonomous robots are projected to become an integral part of society, working alongside humans in factories. delivering packages in logistics hubs, and even assisting with household chores. These robots, with their intricate systems and components, will symbolize the pinnacle of technological advancement. However, with the anticipated introduction of new robot models, a new set of APIs will emerge, the language that will enable central control systems to communicate with these robots. The constant evolution of these APIs is foreseen to pose a significant challenge. The central control systems will need to adapt quickly to these changes to ensure the seamless operation of the robots. Enter Gorilla, a revolutionary AI model that is being fine-tuned to understand and generate API calls. The integration of Gorilla into central control systems is expected to be like a breath of fresh air. Every time a new robot model is introduced, Gorilla will be designed to dive into the API documentation, learning and adapting to the new language. Its ability to adapt to test-time document changes will mean it can quickly understand the new API even if it is significantly different from the APIs it was trained on. Once Gorilla understands the API, it will generate the appropriate API calls based on natural language commands from human operators. For instance, an operator could simply say, "Check the status of Robot X's power system," and Gorilla will generate the correct API call to retrieve that information. But Gorilla's capabilities won't stop there. It will be able to reason about constraints, handling APIs that require specific conditions to be met. If an API call requires certain parameters to be within specific ranges, Gorilla will ensure these constraints are met when generating the API call. The introduction of Gorilla is expected to revolutionize the way humans interact with robots. It will simplify the task of controlling and monitoring a diverse fleet of autonomous robots, making it easier to introduce new robots and components, and reducing the risk of errors due to incorrect API usage. And so, in the dawn of the autonomous era, it is Gorilla, the AI model that is poised to become the unsung hero, bridging the gap between humans and robots and ensuring a harmonious coexistence.